Every biker knows about the rider's code, a set of unspoken rules that every true rider lives by. It's not just about riding, it's about respect, community, and responsibility. Here's the code. 1. Always check on a stranded rider. It's not just a rule, it's how we look out for our own. 2. Respect the road and ride predictably. Your actions impact everyone on the asphalt. 3. Give the biker way. It's a universal salute to our shared freedom. 4. Wear your gear. It's not just about looking cool, it's your armor. 5. Don't leave trash on the road. Respect the environment as much as the journey. 6. Ride responsibly. Reckless riders endanger us all. The rider's code isn't just tradition, it's trust, unity, and the heart of what it means to be a biker. Follow it, and you'll always have a place in this brotherhood.